Today we're gonna be harvesting our fresh kale and also sweet chard from our backyard. And then we're gonna be taking the kale and turning them into homemade chips that everyone loves. You ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's go, baby, good.
And nothing stepping outside picking your own food. Today is harvest time.
Okay, so this is the kale session. So you see, like you said, today is harvest day, so we're gonna be harvesting our kale today. Okay,
And making chips.
yeah, we're gonna make some chips out of it, guys. So we're gonna be cutting the outer layer of the kale right here, so we can have the inner one to grow. Can you see it, Sasha?
Yes.
Can you see it? That's the inner one. So once we cut the outer one, which is right here, we're gonna cut it so we can have new plants coming in. As you can see, we have the new growth coming in.
Yeah, right.
Yes, right there. So now we're gonna cut. When we cut it, we're gonna cut the outer ones like I mentioned, and we're gonna cut it right here. Okay. So we're gonna chop it like this. Then we're gonna put it in here. Okay. We're gonna do it like here as well. Do this the same thing from over here. So now you can see we have the inner ones growing in. Okay. You want to go ahead and do it?
I want to do it, Dad.
Okay, you're gonna take a try. Bring it right here, Zaro.
Like on the bottom?
Yes. Good job. Okay, go and put it in the basket. Okay, come and do this one right here.
Oh, this one. On the bottom.
Okay.
Is that big? Dad, why are we cutting the ISO leaf?
Sweet chard, you have to cut the outer leaves because it's go back quickly. So that's why we're cutting the outer leaves. And we're cutting it at the bottom or at the base. Okay? Let me see this. It's same height with you? Yeah, it's same height with you. It's a giant. But yeah, this is a sweet
Let me
chard.
see. Which one is giant? This one? That's a big leaf.
Yeah,
It might
big leaves.
It might be
Why?
bigger
It's
by
wider than your
5
face.
It might be
You
bigger
can
by
have it as a
5
mask.
It might be bigger by
You can
5
do a face mask.
It might be bigger by 5 head.
Yeah. Alright, Zara, we're moving any dirt or anything on there, okay? So we're washing it right there.
It's wet. What is wet? Yeah.
So we're gonna cut this, we're gonna take out this off the stem and then put it in the bowl to make the chips.
Sorry.
Okay, so this is this. So this is the stem, Zara. So you're just pulling it down. Okay?
Yeah.
Go ahead and do this. Look one, Zara. You got it?
Is it perfect?
Yes, that's perfect. So you're just basically pulling it down.
Yeah.
Cut it here. Hold it right here.
Yeah.
And then you cut it like this.
And be careful.
Put your hands right here so the knife don't cut you.
Thank you, Dada. Are you to ask your dad to for me?
Okay, so we got this.
Yay! Welcome to the Hurdy City. I'm a microphone. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so
Yeah, you got a microphone. What little?
put it in.
Okay. Get some water.
We always have to rush your vegetables, your food, because you don't want to get sick.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, do you know no food to wash?
Go ahead and put it in the basket.
Let's go inside and make kale chips.
Okay, let's mix it to see. Mix it.
Nice.
Yes.
Oops.
Let's taste it again. There, good. Okay, now we're gonna bake it at 325 for 20 minutes and then we're gonna be flipping it halfway, okay? Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. Now we go ahead and open it and see how the kale is doing. Okay, so we're gonna pull it out. Go ahead and close it, Zara. You got it? Okay.
Bye-bye. Me too. Take this.
So we see the kale is currently dry. Alright. So you want to taste? Go ahead and taste it.
Okay. Get this one too. I taste it. It's good. It's good. 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 Chips. 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 Good chips. Good. It tastes good. It's salty. It's perfect.
Yeah, very good. Alright guys, there you have it. We have the kale chips straight from the garden, straight into our kitchen. Let us know in the comment below what you're growing.
See you the next time, guys. See you the next time, guys.
See you the next time, guys. How you like the chips?
Goodie.
It's good?
Goodie.
You want to eat more?